Welcome to the Google Classroom and Epic Live tutorial on adding students to your Epic Live Google Classroom. Once you've set up your classroom, you're ready to add students. There are two ways to add students to your Google Classroom. If you're planning on adding a student during your first Epic Live meeting, the easiest way is to simply give the students an access code. If you go to your Google Live Classroom and look in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see a class code that can be given to the students. Once you're in your Epic Live class, you can give them this code. They will take this code and go into their classroom, which should look like this, and they can click on the plus sign to join a class. They will then type in the code for your class and click join. Once they join, they will be added to the class on their side, and they will have all of the assignments that you have previously put into the course. On your side, the teacher side, you can go to the people section and see that that student has been accepted into the class. To add students to your Epic Live Google Classroom is to invite them to join the class. You do this by going to your Epic Live class. In this instance, we're again using U.S. history. Right now we're in the stream portion. You'll want to click on people, and then there is a small little icon right here that says invite students. By clicking on this, it will ask you to type the name or email. You'll want to type in their epiccharterschools.org email. I'm using an example class here, and then click the invite button. Once you have invited your students, you'll see right down here that it says that they are invited. If you go to the student side, the student will come to their class, and when they come to the class, they'll see a little icon here of the U.S. history class, and they can either decline or join the class. By clicking on join, they of course join the class, and they are then loaded into the class, and they're assigned all of the assignments that you've already put into the class, and they'll be assigned any additional assignments that you make in the future. If you go back to the people stream, you'll see now that the student no longer has an invitation, but is actually a part of the class now. And you can invite guardians if you want to add email addresses for your student's guardian. You can also see in the stream that we now have two students assigned to the first assignment that we have. I hope that this tutorial has helped you to learn how to add students to your Epic Live Google Classroom. Have a great day.